Beautiful day to be a scrapper. Look at that heavy thing. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Look at that thing. It's beautiful.
Hey, you got a good day for it.
Beautiful day, beautiful day.
You got a car here? Or you...
No, we're going to take the cart right off of there.
Okay.
Take it right off there. I'll roll it to where it got to go. Here, is it tied on right now? Hold on. Let me get it to the truck. Let me put it near the truck. Tie it up right there. There we go. Now, I don't know how your thing works.
I get it. I get it.
I have no idea how that thing works.
I get it.
All right, so he said he had a grill, but he had to take care of the dog first. So, howdy doody, how you doing? What a beautiful day.
You might have more room, maybe move it over a little bit so the door don't hit that truck.
Seen him this morning.
He says he's the man I always make his coffee hotter.
Yes.
Love that shirt, man.
You know one of them, by the way? How to get it? How you doing, ma'am?
What does it say?
It says, I'm married to a Jersey woman.
Oh, well, he's married. He thinks he's married to a bitch.
Yeah, you can't scare me. I'm married to a Jersey woman.
Yeah, I've seen some Jersey women before.
Man, telling you, son. Telling you. I'm just going to pick it up, Billy, and put it to the front. I know you can do it. You can't do it? I knew you could. I knew you could. You so strong.
If you got money, beer, or food, you got money.
Yeah, brother, you got that right. You know what we're gonna do with that? Stand it up.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right.
That's what we're gonna do. Ready? See if we can get hold of something. Go, baby. Get hold up, Bill. Beautiful. Look at that. Just like it was meant to be. You don't have gloves. I know you can stand that up. We'll get that one in first.
Yep.
Let me see. Just like that. This thing was loaded heavy. Loaded heavy. Play around. Got to get her done. Hell, I might just bring this stuff to my house and dump it out and go get another load.
Oh, heck yeah.
Hard work never hurt nobody.
You got that right.
What happened to the lawnmower? Just died? Oh, she's stuck. She's stuck. Yeah. Look at that. Done. We did it. We did it. Let me see if I got a card in there. Billy, that was a good trip. Put it right over there. I'll be working on that. That's a nice little thing there.
It is nice.
That's nice. Nice for scrap metal. Uh-oh, things fall, pieces falling everywhere. You know what we're gonna do with this? You know what happens to this? The motor comes off, baby. Turn that thing into money. Oh yeah, baby, we got this. We're gonna go get another load. Aluminum gutters was perfect. And then I'll roll it right over there. Get out of the way, and we'll take it apart later on video. Yes, sir. Roll it right out of there, Bill. Kick that thing's butt. Boom, yow. Supposed to make the straining noise. That's what I'm talking about. Come apart easier that way. Half of it's already apart. We're going to get some aluminum gutters, so we don't want this stuff on there clogging up our pile. Boom, yeah, that's what we're talking about. I don't take much off of these so they don't matter that much anyway. I'll take a little bit of goodness off of it. I got Billy slinging stuff, baby, slinging it. Show me the money. He's trying. Yeah! Killed it. If it wasn't dead, Billy, it's dead now. It is dead now, baby. That might be some real stainless. I have to scope that out. Yeah, baby, we got my yard cleaned up pretty good, so now we can actually put stuff back here that I can process. Throw it back there as far as you can, and got the refrigerator and water heater going. That's it. We can actually process this stuff. And it's behind my fence. When you drive down that road, I can't have scrap metal out here. All the scrap metal I want back here, and I can put another section of fence up there if I want to. Don't let that thing beat you up, Billy. Don't let that thing beat you up. I know you can do it. Hey, you know what? Look here, ho. Watch this, Billy. Huh? Hold on, man. I'll make it easy. Make it real easy. Look at this. I'll flatten out the trail a little bit. You don't have to push it uphill. You push it downhill. Don't slide off. Look at there, Billy. I did it. Now that makes that thing a whole lot easier. I'm gonna bring it down here and go, timber! Go ahead and lay it down if it has to. Push it. Push it over. There you go. Push it right over. There you go. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. It's off there now, Billy. That was too easy. That was too easy. Ooh-wee. Boy, I wonder if that trays look a lot like my trays. Literally. I'm gonna have to check that out. I got a couple broken ones. Hoo-yah! Look at that, man. Goodness everywhere. I love it. Show me the money.
Ready?
Yes, sir, baby. Do it. Make that sucker. Make it roll. Make that sucker roll, baby. There you go. There you go. Spin her around. That thing outrunning you with your slippery shoes. Yeah. Billy's like, I don't want to fall. Perfect. Yes, sir. Show me the money. Yeah, show me. Nasty. She's nasty. Oh. Yeah, but we got a little bit of brass on there that's beautiful. Beautiful. We don't worry about nasty. All right, the only thing else we got is that stuff's in the back of my truck. Pull that stuff off. Yeah. Except for your toys. Well, you can get them out too, actually. Wouldn't hurt. Hey, listen, I'll pull up to right next to your car for that. Just get these out.
All right. Well, I mean, I got to get up underneath the hoods, right?
Yeah, I guess so. I guess so. Hey, look, somebody repainted that already. Painted again. It was green. See that? That thing was green. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, yeah. What a beautiful thing. You know where that goes, Billy?
Round back.
Yes, sir. Got it going on now. Yeah. Start me a new rotor pile. New rotor pile. That's brass. We know what that is. Put that right over there where it can be torn apart later. And Billy will bring that around back. And that around back. Yeah. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Scrap metal everywhere. Yeah. Boy, these rotors. I was so disappointed, just so everybody knows. I only got 10.5 cents a pound for my rotors yesterday. Man, I have got, I'll be honest with you, I think I've gotten 16 cents before for them things. So scrap metal's down, nothing we can do about that. So, but damn, I didn't know it was that far down. These stainless. I'm pretty sure that this is the Lone Rider, so I'm not sure. It goes through, we'll save that stainless. Looks like the bracket might be bent. Now this one here, I believe is this. If I spun this around this way, I'm pretty sure. Nope, it's not. Okay, so this is the other side. It is the other side. I should have seen that right off. So this is one side and that's the other. I only can figure that they bought two because one was damaged and the other one wasn't. So instead of taking off 4 or 5 bolts, 6 bolts, and changing the other side and making them both new, they just threw this one. It is, Bill, it is. That's aluminum. They just replaced one, but this is actually a pair, and I'm not seeing anything wrong with either one of them. I'm gonna look up if this thing has any markings on it, and it does. And yes, it does. So I'll find out what this belonged to, and I will sell them as a pair. Fingers crossed. I don't always do that, but when I get something that's so daggone brand spanking new, never even been on a truck, I know what my dad would do. I know what my dad would do. He would, see, this one's got some scratches on it, so I say scratched. One scratched, one not. Bill, I want to lay them over there behind the pallet, like lengthways, just next to each other. I'm going to be taking pictures of these and listing them. So all 3 of them would just go over there. That one I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of because it's dented up pretty good and it's only one. But this is actually a pair. A pair. Now I'll find out what it goes off of, like I say, when I read them numbers down here and punch them in Google. It'll show me exactly what they fit. This is brand new. This has been used and a little bit scratched, but big deal. Big deal. Good, Billy, we're ready. We are ready. Aluminum sign. I did find this also. Now I'm gonna look that up. It's got the tag on it. It's brand spanking new. I've never been bolted on anything that I can see. Maybe it has, I don't know. Doesn't seem like it. I think that's just the way it's made. Why would it still have the tags on it if it was bolted on something? God, things like this, I kind of say, maybe. Then I say, all right, maybe not. All right, we're out of here. I'm gonna pull my trailer up. We're getting ready to go pick up a full load of gutters. Oh, I got to get a couple things before I leave here. I'll see you guys in a minute. Onwards and forwards. I'm going to get another honey hole, baby, another honey hole. Let's go get some gutters. I think we have everything we need to clean some of this stuff up and get a bunch of clean out of it. Hopefully not so much dirty.